YouTube, what's going on? In today's video, I'm going over my workout split, my current workout split. Now, if you guys watch my old videos, you know that I was a huge fan of the full body workouts. But as time goes on and you learn new things, there comes a point where it's really hard to get a good amount of volume per week with full body workouts. So my current training split is push-pull legs combined with an Arnold split. Now, push-pull legs is pretty self-explanatory, but I'll explain it really quick in case you don't know. Push day, I'll work out my shoulders, triceps, and chest, and my traps. I started working out my traps a couple months ago, and holy crap, they've grown a lot. But then pull day, I work my back and buys, and then leg day, obviously I work on my legs, my calves, all that good stuff. Especially me, a lot of people don't train their calves and hamstrings. You gotta train them. My calves has grown a ton from calf training, so I hate when people say you can't grow your calves. Is it harder to grow your calves? Yes, but you could still grow them. I'm proof of it. Then onto the Arnold split. This split, so I go 3 days push-pull legs, 3-day Arnold split, rest. And the Arnold split is chest and back, arms and shoulders, and then legs. So day 1, chest and back, day 2, arms and shoulders, day 3, legs. I really like this split a lot. Now, I try to get in the gym at least 6 days a week, but doesn't always work out that way. For example, last week, I had a really busy week, and I only got in 4 days. I only got in 4 days last week. Some days, I only get in 5 days. But goal is 6 days. The goal is 6 days a week and train hard. And that's my current training split. Now, I guess, hey, if you guys want to know my exact exercises for my split and basically get a free workout program of my workout program, then comment down below and I'll drop a video of the exact exercises I do for my split. And that's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more videos. Dropping a lot of videos per week. I'm back on YouTube. Let's get it. Guapo out.